Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Duolingo and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this page of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.